All right, guys, we finally pulled up, sourcing at Magic. Y'all see what it is. Let's go walk the show. Let's go see the different booths. Let's go interview the vendors, the factories, and let's go learn. I'm always down to learn. Let's go, come on. All right, my boy, what this right here, the viral red boot.
Yeah, you already have one.
Yeah, how much is this?
For this one?
Yeah, this one.
You need a box booking or just what kind of
minimum.
booking, right?
So a lot of my customers, they're starting out. So
Yeah.
what would be the minimum order on this?
For this one, minimum order will be like 900 pairs.
900 pairs?
Yeah.
And how much is 900 pairs?
I can send you the price.
Calculating the tax real quick.
Right.
$4.80?
Yes.
Or are you talking about
$4.80.
$4.80 for this shit?
Yes.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's so good.
It's FOB.
Uh-huh.
FOB price.
FOB price.
Yeah.
Oh, and then
so
they
you guys need to buy and pay for the sea freight and
the taxes,
also
right?
Taxes by yourself.
This is why is it so small though?
Small one.
Yeah. What size is this?
This is lady size. Is
Oh,
6.
lady size. Okay.
Lady size.
Oh. What about these? This for dogs or this for little kids?
Oh, for kids.
Oh, okay. I thought it was for dogs. How much something like this?
Mhm.
How much is something like this?
Well, it's a little bit cheaper. It'll be like 350 something.
And y'all got the Yeezy slides too, right?
Yeah.
Yeezy slides. And if they wanted to do like a new shoe, they can't do it, right? They need a new mold. They just can change the color and customize that way. Right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. If we want a new shoes, then we have to have a new molds.
And the new mold minimum is how much? Like 9,000 pairs?
One more.
90,000 pairs?
Yes.
Oh man, that's beyond my budget.
So you know what? This kind of molds is kind of very expensive.
Yeah.
So if it's small, I mean small quantity cannot to lower the cost.
Essentially what he's doing, guys, is he's putting up the money for the mold on something like this, and then he's hoping to find 90,000 buyers so we could break down the mold price and be profitable. So if you were to get a new mold, you would be the one front loading that minimum. But because he's a factory, what he's doing is he's putting up that minimum and then he's gonna chop it up and divide it out because this is such a popular shoe. So, okay, well, I appreciate it. If they wanted to find you, where could they find you at?
No, you can reach us on email.
You'll get a lot of emails.
Yes.
Hopefully. Maybe you'll go viral. Superstar.
So I'm gonna give you the commission.
I don't need commission. It's okay. Give the commission to my customer. Give him a better price.
All right.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
My boy Trey already here. He here at 9:30 in the morning. He really took the giveaway. He going crazy. He working right now.
Nah, for sure. Got to.
What's the one? 9:30 in the morning. What's the one thing you learned already?
Man, one thing that I learned already, man, is just to like move around, get different pricings on the same thing. You know what I'm saying?
You heard that? He said he negotiating. He finding other prices that's better than your price. That's what he said.
He said.
Yeah, he said he said next door they got $3 cheaper.
Here, my price is cheaper, right?
Yeah, your price too expensive.
I will do best price for you and the good quality and the best MOQ.
Okay,
So,
okay. Don't be shorting my man's, all right?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is nice.
Yeah, this is the new style because right now we don't have the shoe rack, so MOQ is
This is
300.
this is the Gucci style, right?
No.
Not Gucci, Balenciaga.
Louis style.
Oh, Louis.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We just.
this is the Louis style, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. What's the
Price?
price and the minimums? MOQ?
Let me check. MOQ is 300.
300 pairs for this style, guys. And compared to the last year's video, I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, this one him low key. This one very close to like the real deal.
So you are designer.
Yeah, I'm a designer. You like my drip?
Yeah. I like design.
You like design?
Yeah.
I
We
mean,
do
on
design by we save also.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how dripping am I? Am I like wet or am I like super dry?
Super dry.
Damn.
You from Japan?
No.
No?
I'm from Korea, but I live in Atlanta. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
You been to
Korea.
Atlanta?
I'm from China, so you
China?
know. Yeah.
Many minutes later.
About 20.
20. All right, so this shoe right here, guys, is pretty close to the Vuitton Louis shoe. Only $20, y'all. Really good quality. They can change out all the colors, right?
Yeah, we can change it all colors. I just check with the price.
Cool. All right, if you guys want to tap in, this is it right here. Remember, I told y'all need WhatsApp, WeChat. This is it right here, y'all. Tap in. Scan that QR code. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, you might see yourself on TikTok going crazy later. This shoe right here, right? What's the minimums on something like this?
500 per color.
500
Per color.
per color.
Yes, you can
Wow.
make 4 colors, like 2,000 each styles. For us, it's minimum quantity.
And what's the price on something like this?
It's around 88.
$8.80?
Yes.
That's it for this quality?
Yes.
Hey, you got good prices. You're trying to go viral, huh? Yeah.
Thank you.
So they could change like all the colors. Like how customizable is it?
Yes, any colors,
Uh-huh.
any materials, any design you want to change.
So even like this little thing, they could change the color. This is different color. The shoestring a different color. The black be different color. Everything different color.
Yes, we are shoes maker. We are factory, so we can make whatever you want.
Okay, cool. What else is another like hot selling item that you guys have here?
We have a lot of different kinds of things.
Oh, this is like the Hokas. You know Hoka?
Yes, similar Polka is very
Yeah.
popular right now. We make it very soft outshoes,
Uh-huh.
and we do our design by ourselves. But we need to follow the fashions,
Yeah.
popular
You think
things.
you think if I run in this shoe or I run in the Hoka, which one am I gonna run longer? Or
Of
faster?
course.
Of course, this one, right?
Yes, of course.
What's the price on this one right here?
This one is $9.
$9.
Something.
Guys,
Yes.
I'm putting it in my hand right now for $9. I can't believe I'm spending $150 on a Hoka. Crazy. And you run longer on this shoe. What else is selling for you guys? What is your factory the best at?
Best styles in these times because it's the newest. We just attend the first time. Before we selling very good for this group. This is very hot.
But now it's which
Now
one?
the newest one is in
like
here.
So guys, the one thing you want to know is that like these factories, as you can see, they make stuff like this too, right? But what you want to do is you want to find out what they're the best at, and it looks like what they're the best at is this sort of like running shoe silhouette, because all the material is good, all the fabrics are good, the molds, they probably have really good molds. So whenever you're walking these shows, the one thing you want to do is you want to determine like, what is this factory the best at, and then how can I get the best pricing and the best quality from them. Cool, well, thank you so much. If they wanted to find you, do you have a card?
Yes.
Y'all tap in. This is a WeChat.
Yes.
WeChat. Everybody, I've been telling y'all about the WeChat. Thank you so much. It's nice to meet you. Maybe I see you on TikTok later. My boy. Can we get hey, my boy, can we get an interview? How old are you? No interview? You working though. Let me see the muscle. You working. He working. How old is he? 3 years old. He working. I like him. He gonna be rich one day. Right? Okay. He gonna be rich. Yo, we back here again with the viral Miss Cindy. Y'all,
I'm so grateful you still remember me.
I remember you. You got a beautiful face. Last time you were wearing a blue shirt, now you're wearing a red shirt.
Thank you.
So what's the new styles that everybody wants now?
You can see on this desk is the popular styles, the chunky skateboard styles.
Chunky skateboard styles.
Yeah.
So this is similar to like the Louis Vuitton or Lavigne, right?
Yes.
Wow. So what is the MOQ on this, and then what's the FOB price?
The MOQ is 800 pairs per color, and the price is about 8.5.
That's it? 8.5?
Yeah, very reasonable price.
That's so cheap.
Yeah.
So 800 guys is 800 per color. How much can they customize the shoe? Like everything? Like change colors?
You can change the colors. You can also change the logo here. We can also change the decoration here.
Oh, wow.
You can also change the brand here. Yeah, we can customize the customer's logo.
So essentially, guys, back to that mold concept again. They already have these molds, so what you can do is you can order from them, and they can just literally just swap out the colors, put your logo, but essentially you're using their original mold that they have. What's another style of shoe that's really popular right now?
Yeah, the diamond styles.
The diamond styles.
Yeah.
You like Golden Goose?
Yeah.
You like Golden Goose?
Yeah, it's very basic.
Very basic. But
Yeah.
this is not Golden Goose, right? This is a Golden Star.
Yeah.
So what's
this kind of one is also because you already made the modification, so it is not so like the golden goose. So the customer can buy it very safe.
Oh, so they're not gonna get sued?
Yeah, don't have any copyright problems.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So did you have a lot of problems with that before, where Golden Goose or these bigger companies would come after you guys?
No,
Or no?
no. Yeah.
So it's safe, but check with your lawyer. What is the price on something like this?
For this one, it's about 7.8.
7.8. That's
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
That's so cheap.
Yeah. We are professional in lady sneakers.
Oh, that's like the main thing.
Yeah, for the price you can see it's always very reasonable and cheap.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, well, guys, full circle. Me and my girl Cindy, we went crazy. Let's go crazy again. Thank you so much. Oh, if they
Thank
wanted to
you.
find you, where could they find you?
Yeah.
You got a card? Oh, yes. Remember this card. We're going to show it again. Adore Global. WeChat. You can email them. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll go crazy again.